Did you know that welding isn't just done on Earth, but also in space? Or that some welders work underwater in one of the most dangerous jobs in the world? Welding is everywhere, from the cars we drive to the tallest skyscrapers. But it's not just about melting metal together. It's a mix of science, engineering, and even robotics. Without welding, modern life as we know it wouldn't exist. Welding is the process of joining materials, usually metals, by melting them together and fusing them into one solid piece. Unlike soldering, which just bonds materials with a filler metal, welding actually melts the base metal itself, creating a much stronger and more durable connection. It's used in construction, automobiles, aerospace, shipbuilding, and even art. Welding has been around for thousands of years. The Egyptians and Romans used early forms of welding to make tools, weapons, and jewelry. During the Middle Ages, blacksmiths perfected forge welding by heating metal and hammering it together. The real breakthrough came in 1881, when Russian scientist Nikolai Benardos developed the first arc welding process, using an electrical current to melt metal. During World War I and II, welding became crucial for building tanks, airplanes, and ships, leading to the invention of MIG and TIG welding, which revolutionized the industry. Today, we have laser welding, friction welding, and even robotic welding used in space travel, medical devices, and high-tech engineering projects. There are many types of welding, each suited for different applications. Arc welding uses electricity to create a high-heat arc that melts metal. MIG welding uses a wire electrode to make fast and strong welds, commonly used in car manufacturing. The TIG welding is a precise method that works great for delicate metals, like aluminum. Stick welding is one of the oldest and most reliable methods, often used for construction and repair work. Laser welding is extremely precise and used in aerospace and medical applications, while friction welding creates heat by rubbing metals together, commonly used in engines and aerospace components. Some welding jobs are extreme and highly dangerous. Underwater welders repair ships, oil rigs, and pipelines in freezing waters, facing high-voltage electricity, deep-sea pressure, and limited visibility. Soviet cosmonauts successfully welded in space, and NASA has tested welding techniques for future space construction. Some welders work inside power plants and steel mills, where temperatures can reach over 1,000 degrees Celsius. There's even micro-welding, used for tiny, high-precision work, like assembling medical implants, electronic circuits, and jewelry. The future of welding is being shaped by technology. Robotic welding is already responsible for over 50% of all welding in the car industry, making the process faster and more precise. Artificial intelligence can now analyze and improve weld quality in real time, reducing human errors. 3D metal printing, a futuristic welding technique, builds entire structures layer by layer and is used for making engine parts, bridges, and even houses. Future astronauts may use welding to build space stations, moon bases, or even habitats on Mars. Welding is constantly evolving and will continue to play a key role in engineering and construction. Over 50% of all manufactured products require some form of welding. The Eiffel Tower was originally assembled using rivets, but today it would be welded. The fastest recorded welding speed in an automated factory is around 30 meters per minute. Welders in specialized fields like underwater and aerospace welding can make over $100,000 per year. And did you know some welding arcs reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun? Welding is everywhere, from your car to the tallest buildings, from deep underwater to the vacuum of space. It's an ancient craft that has evolved with modern technology, and it will continue to shape the future of our world. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible facts about the world around us.